I am so excited to share with you what you can earn completely free from Norwex by hosting a demo in September, okay? So this is the hosting sheet. It's what we call our 4-star hosting plan, and you can earn all of this. But I'm an extremely visual person, so I just want to quickly bring this to life so you have an idea what all is in it for you as you share Norwex with your friends. All right, so star number 1 is the number of orders. So that's whether they order a Spirit or the Just Add Water package, regardless, they count as one order. And so once you have 3 party guests who order, you, the host, get free shipping. So that's pretty exciting. I don't even get free shipping as a consultant. So I love that perk. Now, once you have 5 buying guests, so 5 people who've ordered from your party, you get a graphite kitchen cloth. Now this is the channel weave. It has the silver embedded with the backlock technology. It is incredible for wiping up crumbs, counters, tables, high chairs, you name it. This thing is dynamite in the kitchen. Once you have 8 buying guests, you then earn free shipping and the cloth and a matching graphite kitchen towel. Best dish drying towel you'll ever use. Like, these are so fabulous. And again, they have that graphite embedded. And once you have 12 customers who order from your party, you get a 3-pack of the counter cloths. We call these our permanent paper towel. They have silver embedded. They are great for quick wipe ups, and you will love those as well. Now, carrying on to star number 2. This, although it just gets this little tiny corner up here, is my favorite star of the whole thing, because it is, in addition to the other gifts I'm going to outline, you get host cash depending on the size of your party. So like, let's say you have a 550 party, our average is right around maybe 600. That would be about $60 in host cash. When you have a $1,000 party, that would be 120, because at 750 it jumps to, instead of 10% of your sales, you get 12% of your sales in host cash. So I love that 750 for that reason. But at a $1,000 party, that means you would have $120 to spend on whatever else is on your list. So a lot of my hosts love to purchase the mop system with their host cash, okay? And of course, if you have a $2,000 party, then you double this, it'd be $240. A $3,000 party, $360. So you get it like it's 12%. Above $750, you get 12% of whatever your sales are in cash for you to spend. Then star number 3, this is when at your party, some of your friends say, I want to earn some free Norwex and I want to share Norwex with my friends. This was fun and easy. And when they book their party, you, the host, with your first booking are going to earn this window cloth. It's the amethyst lace. It's this beautiful pattern on one side and then solid gray on the other. I love this. This is one of my favorite window cloths. And that is, of course, what polishes everything to a streak-free shine. And once your number 2 friend says they would like to host, then you also get the matching amethyst Enviro cloth and the dust mitt, which they're even prettier in person than on video, I think. And then once you have 3 friends who say they would like to host, you also get the gray mini optic scarf, which is great for glasses, amazing for sunglasses, cell phones, iPads, you name it. It is great. Now we get to star number 4. Now this changes month by month, so I'm going to take you through September's gifts, and they are amazing. First of all, in September, you can Norwex your kitchen out for free. You'll be able to earn the netted dishcloths. Now these are amazing. They replace that stinky, nasty dish rag. They will clean your dishes, amazing. And then also you can earn the Spirit sponges. These, in my opinion, are the best kitchen sponge ever. I really do love them, and I'm not really a sponge girl, and I love those. Also, the dishwashing liquid. Now, you can use this straight with the sponge or with the netted cloth, either way. I like to dilute mine in the glass Forever spray bottle. So I fill it with warm water to about here, put this much dish liquid in there, and then I love the Norwex degreaser, so I add some degreaser just to really cut through all the grease. But even just this works great. So this you can also earn in September, which I'll share with you in a second, but you can earn the dish liquid. So now you can hand wash your dishes. Also, something that is always next to my sink. Love this stuff. It's our fresh wash, and you can get a mini. Now this is a very concentrated product, so a little goes a long way. So this little mini is going to clean a lot of blueberries, strawberries, peaches, broccoli, whatever it is that you clean, and it's going to cut through that biofilm. I like to put whatever it is I'm washing in my salad spinner. I spritz it with this, and then I fill it with water, let it soak, follow the instructions. It works amazing. We use that all the time. And then also something that you can use either in your kitchen or your bathroom. I know people who put it by their bedstand. Like, some of us are a little obsessed with this. It's the porcelain sink organizer. So the porcelain sink organizer comes with this porcelain base, the cup with the silicone grippy thing. So you can either set that there or in, whatever. And then in here, I usually have a spray bottle, hand soap, which you can earn the hand soap for free in September as well. And then, like I said, either this with maybe my utility brush, the cream cleaner, whatever it is you want to put in there. I love my straw cleaning brush, but usually that's out so that I can fit one more thing there. But also you can take this little groove here and set your sponge on it so that it can air dry a little more effectively between uses. So multiple uses, and then you'll see this wire thing back here. That is so that you can maybe hang to dry your counter cloth. Remember, you're gonna be able to earn 3 counter cloths for free. And this you could just grab to dry your hands or wipe counters or whatever. So that is the September hosting gifts. Oh, excuse me, I forgot one thing. I must tell you about this. So along with the hand soap, you can get the chenille hand towel. Now this is made so that it can hang over a towel rack. I'm going to use this to pretend it's a towel rack, okay? And so it doesn't get pulled down on the floor. It has the silver embedded. Now the one that comes in September is gray, and instead of this pine cone, it's going to have a bee there, okay? So I don't have that one with me, so I'm just going to use this one for example. So you take the loop, put it over your handle, right? Your oven handle, dishwasher handle, towel rack handle, and you just pull that, and that way this will dry your hands, and it has the silver embedded. And with this one or the bee, you can either have the pattern facing out when you're in the mood for a bee, or you can do it on the neutral side when you're in the mood for neutral. So it's kind of like you get a 2-for-1. So, and then as I mentioned, this is also in the September hosting gifts, this forever bottle, and I do believe it is in the sea mist color, which I think is such a fun pop of color. So that is what you can earn for free by hosting in September. If you have any questions on any of that, let me know. I would love to connect with you and help you have a dynamite party. So I hope this has been helpful.